How the national taste for dietary supplements is yielding unexpected results in the lab. What you should know. Plus, a new blood test shows promise in parsing out dementia-related diseases. These stories and more next. This is Path News Network Daily Edition from the College of American Pathologists. I'm Elizabeth McMahon. It's Thursday, June 18th. Dietary supplement use has increased markedly since 1999, a new analysis in JAMA Network Open finds. In 1999, 51% of U.S. adults took supplements. By 2023, it was 60%. Researchers from Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center looked at trends among more than 63,000 adults. They noted increases in use of vitamins D and K, as well as zinc, turmeric, and curcumin. But multivitamin, multimineral use actually decreased, which researchers suggested is connected to a growing preference for personalized medicine. Supplement use accelerated around 2009, especially in older adults. The COVID pandemic also likely influenced the trend, with boosts in anti-inflammatories such as ashwagandha, elderberry, and zinc. How are dietary supplements affecting lab results and ultimately our health? One of the newest additions to CAP on Demand provides a primer on herbal supplements, their impact on lab tests, and how pathologists can alert clinicians to unexpected results. CAP on Demand has a large library of expert-led videos, including webinars, podcasts, and lectures exclusively for CAP members. Dr. Amitava Dasgupta of the University of Kansas Medical Center leads the webinar. He examines many popular herbal supplements. While many are benign, some are toxic to organs and interact with medications, causing either treatment failure or drug toxicity. In one case, a 29-year-old woman had abnormal liver enzyme readings, but her other blood work was unremarkable. Dr. Dasgupta discovered the patient was taking kava, a supplement for stress reduction and sleep.
So she stopped taking kava, and within a month, her enzyme test returned to normal. Now, she was lucky because she was taking kava for a month based on the recommendation of a woman in a herbal supplement store. Now, usually if kava is used for 1 or 2 months, and if a person stops taking this herbal supplement, effects are reversible.
Long-term use of kava and several other supplements can cause irreversible organ damage. Dr. Dasgupta's course takes pathologists through classes of supplements, their interactions with drugs, and guidance for communicating with clinicians. Use your CAP login to access this course and many other popular videos and podcasts on CAP on Demand. When a patient exhibits signs of dementia, it can be hard to tell what kind of disease may be at play. And while there's one FDA-approved test for Alzheimer's disease, no tests can detect multiple brain diseases. Now, researchers at the Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis have developed an experimental blood test. It measures 15 proteins to help diagnose 4 major neurodegenerative diseases: Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, frontotemporal dementia, and Lewy body dementia. The team used an AI algorithm to find patterns in blood samples and medical records from more than 3,000 people. They compared the model's predictions to brain tissue donated at autopsy from Arizona patients. The test determined with 92.3% accuracy whether patients had one of the 4 brain diseases. While the test provides more insights into the biological complexities of brain diseases, it doesn't replace clinical evaluations, which offer additional insights into symptoms and lifestyle. And finally, a new look is coming to the CAP's website. On June 27th, cap.org will get a big refresh. Besides a cleaner look and feel, the website will be easier to navigate and search for the information, products, and courses you need. The upgrade isn't changing the CAP's content, it's making it easier to find and use. Visit cap.org after June 27th to explore the new site. That's all for today's Daily Edition. Be sure to check the show notes for more information on today's stories. Got a story you'd like us to cover on the Daily Edition? Write to us at stories@cap.org. We're back at 5 a.m. Eastern for another episode of the Daily Edition. I'm Elizabeth McMahon. Have a great day.